Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about topic the blue collar job. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in basically employment, or you want to learn that what type of jobs are available. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, blue collar job. So basically blue collar jobs are those jobs which are basically are not office based jobs. Normally these people wear the blue color clothes, so that is why normally these types of jobs are called as blue collar jobs. These example of these collar jobs are, for example, workers who are working for agriculture, manufacturing, construction, mining, maintenance, like for example plumber, for example working in any factory. So these types of jobs are basically called as blue collar job. Friend, remember that these types of jobs are also very important, and for the economical growth, these types of jobs are very important, and we must have to encourage these types of jobs as well. Remember, for example, if there is a problem in your home, like water supply is not working, so who will you call? You will definitely call a plumber. Like for example, if the bulb of your room is not working, so you will call a electrician. If your car has some problem, so you will obviously call the car mechanic. So these sorts of jobs are very important, and these are the non-office based jobs actually. Secondly, some more examples of the blue collar jobs are, like for example, welders, mechanics, electricians, construction workers, plant workers who work on the plant, energy plants, electricity plants, etc. So these fire workers who work for fire, to resolve the issues related to fire. So basically, friend, these are the example of blue collar jobs, in which basically these are the non-office based jobs, and generally these people wore the clothes of a blue color, so that is why these are they are called as blue collar job. Here remember that they are totally opposite as compared to white collar job. White collar jobs are those who work in the office. Normally the white collar persons, white jobs are wear the clothes of white clothes, normally white shirts, etc. So that is why they are called as white clothes, and the blue collar blue workers basically normally wear the blue color clothes, so that is why they are called as blue collar job. So these are the non-office based jobs, like welders, mechanics, electricians, etc. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you.